Hi, welcome back to my channel Ateeq Dental Care English. Today topic is related to oil pulling, a very old method to detoxify oral cavity, our mouth and other body parts. It's very important and help in oral hygiene regime, a part of toothbrushing, flossing and mouth rinses. Why we do oil pulling? Is there any benefit of oil pulling? What are different ways or steps to perform the procedure of oil pulling? So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and like the channel so that further information will be delivered to you. Oil pulling is very interesting and ancient method to detoxify or kill the bad bacteria in the mouth. Oil is very good in killing the bacteria, act as antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, produce antioxidants in the mouth. The mechanism of oil pulling is just like a magnet, as bad bacteria in the mouth has covering or coating of lipids. So lipid attract lipids. So oil containing lipids attracts the lipid in the outer shell of the bad bacteria and kick them out from the mouth. So it's very important to detoxify your mouth with oil pulling. What are the various oils used for oil pulling? The most common oil is coconut oil, as it's easy to use, has a reasonable taste and a long history of oil pulling usage. If coconut oil is not available, second option you can use olive oil, which is also good for the oral cavity. How to perform oil pulling in the mouth? It's very easy. In the morning, when you awake, the first step should be oil pulling. Just take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and put it in your mouth and swish it for at least 10 minutes. That a very long duration. 10 minutes, difficult to manage, but you can distract or divert your mind with cooking some food, reading novels, playing with the kids, or using laptop. You can spend this 10 minutes in these ways. It's very difficult initially to hold the oil in your mouth for 10 minutes. So I recommend for the beginners, use coconut oil for 2 to 3 minutes initially in your mouth and swish it around in the mouth just like a mouthwash and then spit it out from the mouth. Never swallow it. Never swallow it in your body. It can be toxic to your body when it travels inside the organs of your body. After oil pulling, it's very important to rinse out all the oil which is collected in different parts of the mouth, and the easiest way is use a lukewarm or semi hot water and rinse with this water thoroughly in your mouth and then spit all the remnants of the oil from the mouth. So it's very easy to perform and easily available and very good for good oral hygiene, prevention of bad breath, prevention of tooth decay, and prevention of gum disease. A package, a panacea for all the oral ailments is oil pulling. We are doing a research on oil pulling in especially the medically compromised children which are unable to brush their teeth or floss their teeth. We are using oil pulling in these children, and then we will evaluate the difference in oral health of these children compared to the those children who are using toothbrush and dental floss. Ideal steps of oral hygiene maintenance are: number 1, oil pulling; number 2, teeth brushing, especially before the breakfast and before going to the bed; and third, also important, flossing between the teeth to remove any impacted food remnants in the embrasure areas. So these are very old and very authentic regime or steps which we are using on ourselves and on children to evaluate their oral hygiene. Otherwise, if some children are handicapped, are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, in which they are unable to perform proper oral hygiene with manual toothbrushes. So oil pulling augment the process of oral hygiene in these children especially. So always think of using oil pulling. It is a augmented step, a very important step in maintenance of the oral hygiene and decreasing the load of the bad bacteria in the mouth, which will be beneficial in multiple ways, not in the mouth health but also of the total body health of a person. So hopefully this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.